We are starting with XRP today because XRP is breaking out. Yesterday we broke out of this trend line up here that we've been talking about. There is this really nice trend line. We broke out of that. You can see here, if you zoom in really nicely, we broke the trend line. We broke the resistance around 114, and you know, today we went down a little bit, tested that resistance and support, and right now we're pumping, so it looks good. We are going for the next target 1.3, and I'm gonna show you another target up here somewhere where I think we might actually, you know, get there, and also, you know, some kind of other technicals about it that look nice. Bam! The late adopter. So guys, before we start, as always, there is a Patreon, there is altcoins. You know, right now it's not alt season, but you know, the alt season will kick in, and the question is, can you find the coins that are about to pump? I don't mean finding coins that are, you know, 20-30% already up. Can you find coins that are about to pump, getting ready to pump? If you need some kind of help with that, check out the you know, Patreon. You know, we do coins, we do altcoins. That's let's see here what's happening with XRP right now. The breakout did happen right now, and this line is legit. You know, we have a lot of lines. We had a lot of lines on the screen, but this line up here that we drew, I think this is the legit line. This is the legit line, and this is why we are pumping right now, because we broke that yesterday. If you look also on the 50 moving average on the daily, we broke that as well. You can see here. Let's go a little bit back, because I think you'll be familiar with this movement up here. With this movement, you remember the movement from yesterday up here? The moment that we are talking about, 10 moving average pushing here, the 50 moving average up here. This is such a bullish move. When you get the 10 moving average pushing you above the 50, so you bounce, big hard move above the 50, above this 1.14 line, getting up here. Like, this is bullish move. We are above the 50 moving average on the daily. We are above 10, 20, 200, 100. We are above all moving averages right now. We are out of the triangle of the trend. We are pumping back up to 1.3. That's the next target. 1.3 is the next target. So everything looks very bullish. We are getting above this level up here also on this candle. So this move, yesterday's move, the 10% move yesterday, was hugely important for XRP to show the bullishness, because you have to understand everything in technical analysis is about bullishness versus bearishness. If the price cannot break certain resistances, if the price gets rejected by weak resistances, that shows bearishness. But right now we are breaking even the big resistances, like the 50 moving average up here. Very important. You can see here how it was acting as a support, and we broke on the downside. But right now up here, it's, you know, we came up here and broke to the upside with the 10 moving average. With a fast moving average, we broke the upside. That shows hugely bullish move to the upside. So I'm very bullish on XRP. Good times ahead, guys. Good times ahead. So the question comes, like, we have certain targets up here. Of course, this 1.14 broken, very nice. Next is 1.3. We are going all up there. We might even hit it today, I think. And after that, it's 156, right? But all of these targets are based on on previous trading. We got some other targets up here on the weekly time frame, but you know, you gotta go all the way up to 2.7, and that's all-time high close here, you know, previously for XRP. But down here, like, can we figure out some other targets? And I think, you know, there is some kind of you know, cup and handle for me up here, So once we break it, and I think this cup and handle will, you know, come break at 1.3 or something like that up here. Once we break this up here, the cup and handle will be broken. Although this could be, you know, seen as a cup and handle right now, where we are breaking it right now over here. But let's just push it all the way through and say that the cup and handle should go all the way from the, you know, wick to the wick for whatever reason. Let's use like this and say the cup and handle is on entirety of this move up here, this down here, and right now it's going up here. So this move is cup handle breakout, and how long, you know, and now that we have a certain kind of big pattern, we can actually figure out where the next target should be, So we take the bottom, from the bottom to the neckline, all the way up here, and we extrapolate that wherever the breakout, let's say breakout is up here, and you can see the next target up here is at 2.3. So after 1.56 it's 2.3, and after 2.3 it's 2.7 all-time high. And when we get to those levels, then we're gonna talk about higher targets. But right now these are the targets that we have. This is being broken right now, 114, that's down here. We are crushing that. So right now we are going for 1.3, then 1.56, 2.3 and 2.72. At least the way I see it, So this, I think this 1.56 to 2.3 is gonna be the biggest move. That's like 50% move. When is that gonna come? How is that gonna come? I think we gotta break the 1.3 line first. So we are going there right now. It is showing bullishness, it is showing strength. So I don't see anything wrong with XRP right now. It does look good, it does look nice, and this was the most important move over here. Let's go to daily and zoom in a little bit up again. This was the most important move up here, this 50 moving average and this 10 moving average curling towards the upside up here. This was the most important move here, because this is what's gonna push you towards the upside, right? And it does look nice. It does look nice, and I think this might have been the start of the move. It was a big consolidation up here in this area, and right now it is going definitely towards the upside. So we're gonna see that. But this was definitely some kind of center point, some kind of decision point for XRP to move actually higher and break certain resistance up here and continue towards the upside. So we're gonna see how this actually works out. Are my targets gonna get hit or not? Subscribe to the channel until tomorrow. We're gonna see what's happening tomorrow. Check out the Patreon if you need help with some kind of altcoins, and that's that, guys. That's that. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.